In today's video, we will see how to run Java language code in your Windows machine. For that, we need two things to install into our system. First one is the JDK, is Java Development Kit, and an ID for writing our code. There are many IDEA available in the market, but we recommend you to use IntelliJ IDEA for Java. So let's start. Firstly, open your favorite web browser and type download JDK. Then, after click on the first website, now scroll a little bit and click on Windows tab and click on the third link called MSI Installer. Wait until it will be downloading. After the downloading complete, click on the open file and just click Next, again Next. Wait for few seconds until it will be downloading. This will not take long time. And finally, close it. Now type download IntelliJ IDEA for Windows in your browser and hit enter. Click on the first website by JetBrains. You can download the paid version if you want. Otherwise, scroll a little bit. And now, click here to install free version. Free version of IntelliJ IDEA is enough for the normal developers. Also, I recommend you to use the free version instead of paid one, and wait until it will be downloading. Now click on Open File. Just a second, I will minimize all other stuff, OK. Click on Next, again Next, and now tick these three boxes and hit Enter. Now the installation of the ID is started. And this will take up to 2 to 5 minutes of time, depend on your computer specification. Once the process will be done, click on the Finish. And now all set, you can use IntelliJ IDEA for writing your Java code. You can test it by running a simple Java program. If you find this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and click subscribe button for future videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.